Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this American cemetery and memorial in France. We're going to be looking at how it's usually said in English, and we're going to be looking at how it's said in France in French. This is a 42-acre World War I cemetery in Belleau, France, located at the foot of the hill where the Battle of Belleau Wood was fought, with many American fatalities. This is also the name of a canal that links up two departments of France, just north of the Champagne wine region, and it is named after the names of those two departments. So how do you go about pronouncing it? In English, it is usually pronounced as Aisne-Marne, Aisne-Marne Canal or Aisne-Marne Cemetery. However, in French, this is not how it is usually said. The first word in particular is not pronounced Aisne, but rather N. N. Essentially, the S is silent in this word, so do not worry about it. And the letters A and I form that specific French sound that is E. N. N-Marne. A-I-S at the beginning just comes down to the sound N. N-Marne Canal. The Aisne-Marne Canal, or the Aisne-Marne Cemetery and Memorial. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the name of famous places all around France, including the name of another American cemetery in France, in Champagne actually, or near Champagne. See you there to learn more.